good morning or good afternoon. How are you? I'm Polly Olsen. I'm the tribal liaison for the Burke Museum, and today I am out at a favorite piece of property of mine that I come out to harvest some foods and medicines. And today I'm out doing some harvesting of nettles. And with the nettles, we will go back to the house and prepare nettle pesto. Nettles are considered the superfood in Indian country. It is one of our early wild greens that we gather, and they are stinging nettles, which you have to be very careful to harvest. I will be using gloves to prevent myself from getting stung as I gather them on this hillside today, so that I am safe and agile and able to take care of this. Right now I'm in a rich environment, ecosystem of foods, which is really amazing. So right in front of you, we have access to fiddleheads, as well as the stinging nettles and many other things in this ravine that I'm out harvesting in. So enjoy. We are going to make a delicious dish later this afternoon. Here is our harvest for the day. I have a couple friends helping me, Mira and Allie. I think I'm gonna have Mira sort some nettles to give us some tea nettles, and the rest will go into the pesto. Take the small ones, and if we can get a bucket, these small ones will be great for tea.
Right. So these will be the tea ones?
Yep, these are the tea ones.
Ones that are small.
We will throw all of that into a pot and boil that up. Let it simmer for a few minutes, and then we'll pour a cup of tea. We have some really big ones. These we're gonna blanch.
Oh, these are really thick.
See the little stingers on the stems? These little stingers are the things that's their protectors.
Yeah,
from
so they're not like completely destroyed by
insects or human beings.
or deer.
And we're just gonna take our time with this. We don't have to hurry.
Smells so good.
Here's our blanched nettles. They're really just very nutritious. We're really excited about preparing this little snack today. Here is our processing station for our project. We have roasted hazelnuts, blanched nettles, a blender, and the recipe. We are gathering the rest of the ingredients to put in the blender, which is going to be Parmesan, olive oil, and lemon juice. There we go.
Do I just like slowly go up?
I think so. Little cheese in there. Check this meal out. Happy spring, everybody. Nettle pesto with Parmesan and a little pesto on a Melba toast. Delicious. Hey, I'm back. Mira wanted to try tea, so she made us a batch of nettle tea. Let's see how it is. It tastes nice and fresh, very springy. It's really healthy and very delicious for you.